Hi guys, today I introduce a Mille-Feuille hot pot that's perfect for cold days. It's delicious and healthy dish that combines vegetables and meat. I also made a cat using Daikon radish, so it looks cute and I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. Let's make cute, kawaii, and healthy dish together! Introduce ingredients: Napa cabbage, Daikon radish, pokeberry, Dashi of Bonito, sesame oil, soy sauce, Mirin, Ponzu, and toasted seaweed. Now let's make a cute and healthy Mille-Feuille hot pot with these. First, start by thoroughly washing the Napa cabbage. Instead of separating the leaves, I will use them as they are. So wash each one carefully. After that, remove excess water. You can flip them upside down and shake them to get rid of the water. Now, starting from the bottom layer of the Napa cabbage, alternate layers with a slice of the pokeberry. Depending on the size of your poke slice, about 2 slices per cabbage leaf should be just right. It's okay if you slightly overflow from the side. Alternate layers like this for all the leaves. Once you're done, cut them into the bite-sized pieces. Make sure the width is shorter than the depth of your hot pot, and keep it evenly cut. The pokeberry acts like the glue, so evenly after cutting, it should hold its shape well. Carefully place these pieces into the pot, starting from the outer edge and working your way to the center. Look at that! Even at this point, they are neatly arranged in the Mille-Feuille. Now let's move on to making a cat. Depending on the size you want, I'll use a half of the Daikon radish this time. First, peel it. And then grate it. This part can be a bit challenging. Grating this size of daikon can be tough. Stay focused and grate away. Toward the end, be careful not to grating your fingers. I can't tell you how many times I've been accidentally cut my finger doing this. Finally done! Now scoop up the grating daikon and squeeze out of the excess water. Now let's start shaping the cat. First, make a round ball for the body and place it in the center. Then, create a vertical indentation about the width of one finger. This will be for the cat legs. Now let's make the head. Since there was some water left, I squeeze it a bit more. Place the head on top of the body. It's best if the head is slightly smaller than the body. Next, make 2 triangle shapes for the ear and attach them to the head. After that, make a thin curved stick for the tail and attach it to the rear. Next, to make it more cat-like, create 2 small circles and attach them to the mouth area. Creating a 3-dimensional effect enhances the realism. Then cut roasted seaweed to add eyes, nose, and whiskers. First, cut it into the triangle shape for the nose. Oh no, it fell. It's challenging to stick because it's very small. I use a knife to carefully attach it to the right position. Next is eye part. Cutting the seaweed into the round shape and attach them. Using a dry cutting board and sharp knife make it works well. Finally, cut it into the thin strips and attach 2 on each side of the round part for the whiskers. It's a bit tricky because it sticks to my hand. At this point, we are almost there. Look at that, the white cat is complete. Finally, let's add some calico pattern to make it a 3-color cat. Prepare some soy sauce in the dish and gradually add it using your fingers. Since the daikon has absorbed the water and is like a sponge, a little bit of the soy sauce goes a long way. Finally, once you've added color to the whole cat, it's done! Although I set it down, since it's a dish, we need to prepare it for eating. Surround it for the cat with the remaining Napa cabbage. Next, sprinkle the Dashi of Bonito around it. Then, add soy sauce and mirin to the reserved daikon juice. Mix it well. Then, pour it in the pot. Add water to the pot until it's about halfway full. Now, as reluctant as it may be, let's light a fire and heat it up. Goodbye, little cat. No! After heating for about 10 minutes, add sesame oil at the end. And finish! So let's いただきます. Keep the ponzu in a dish for the dipping. Now when I pick the ingredients and dip them in the ponzu, you'll experience an incredibly delicious hot pot melting in your mouth. It's perfect! Even without making the cat, just adding the daikon brings out the flavor and make it very delicious. Let's eat the hot pot and overcome the cold winter! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!